In a world driven by innovation and sustainability, we are always striving to do the best for our customers. Pioneer Enterprises is constantly redefining specialized solutions for the packaging and the automotive industry. Since 1997, one innovation at a time, Pioneer Enterprises is not just a manufacturer, it's an endeavor to constantly evolve. Our journey is defined by our ability to adapt, evolve, and deliver transformative solutions. From revolutionizing production processes to setting industry standards, we constantly push the boundaries of what's possible.
Everybody is very happy working with Pioneer. We have an excellent HR policy and we take care, ensure that all our employees have a wonderful work and a life balance.
With 4 state-of-the-art facilities in Pune, Pioneer Enterprises produces world-class solutions for the best in the business by providing solutions that are up to 50% lighter and 30% more affordable as compared to traditional alternatives.
Every product that we design and manufacture not only reduces operational inefficiencies, but is also 100% reusable and recyclable. And that is our goal, not just for us, but for the planet.
Our patented fluid port designs and foldable large containers are revolutionizing large-scale supply chains worldwide. Our solutions are sustainable, reducing waste and costs while enhancing operational efficiency. Whether it's reusable totes for e-commerce or high-performance polymers for the EV industry, we ensure reliability and precision in every product.
Our expertise in polymer engineering allows us to design and create cost-effective and structurally superior polypropylene sheets manufactured with recyclable material that have already started creating an impact in the industry.
With 4 advanced facilities in Pune, Pioneer Enterprises leads the market in innovative packaging solutions. From high-performance materials for EVs to sustainable options for e-commerce, our products are tailored to meet the demands of tomorrow.
When I started this company in the year 1997, the idea was to start a prototype packaging for the industry. The basic idea was that we won't identify a me-too type of customer and supply them. We will always identify the customer's need and we develop on those needs and give a solution to the company. And that was the basic idea, and that's how we put our name for my company as a Pioneer Enterprises. Pioneer will be always lead from front.
Our patented fluid board design, built with sustainability at its core, combines durability and flexibility. Whether it's reducing costs, eliminating transit damage, or optimizing supply chains, we redefine what's possible in packaging. In every single challenge lies an opportunity, and at Pioneer, we see opportunities to innovate, to lead, and to transform.
We are already serving all industry leaders in India. Now we are all set to serve industry leaders globally.
As an ISO 9001-2015 and IATF 16949-2016 certified company, our dedication to quality and precision is unparalleled. This is Pioneer Enterprises, a team driven by passion, innovation, and purpose. For over 28 years, we have been crafting solutions that protect industries, enhance efficiency, and preserve our planet.
Pioneer
Sarvada
Sarvapratham.